Masak apa? Masak my style. Oh wow, alamak. Alamak, ada pimple pula kat sini. Namanya got pimple. Because very heaty, very hot. Actually I'm wearing a dress lah. Actually saya ni pakai dress. Nampak dress panjang tau, long dress, okay. Cuaca begitu panas, saya kat rumah tak boleh lah pakai tutup sangat, okay. As long as I'm okay, I'm fine, simple and easy. Hari ni kita nak masak lemak ketam ketumbar, okay. Crab in coriander curry. Kasihkan memang meleleh lah korang. It's a very simple recipe. Everything all just dump in, blend and all saute and that's it. Alright, so easy for everybody to do, but it's only for crabs and prawns recipe. Ini hanya boleh dibuat dengan ketam dengan udang saja. No chicken, no fish, no meat. Alright, so come along with me and I show you how to make this absolutely amazing simple recipe. Okay, in these ingredients pada resipi ni tidak menggunakan kunyit. There is no turmeric. Alright. Now number one you need to do, nombor satu adalah 15 stick of dry chili soaked in hot water. Okay, and you cut it into pieces lah. Potong 3, 15 batang cili kering direndamkan di dalam air panas. First thing first, alright. After that, kita angkat, kita masuk dalam blender. This recipe is very easy, Recipe ni sungguh senang sekali, okay. I tak ambil, I throw away this water. Saya tak ambil air dia, Now, and then we have 3 cloves of onions, bawang besar, large onions, ulas, and then a bit of shrimp paste, sedikit belacan, and then 3 cloves of garlic, bawang putih 3 ulas. Semua masukkan kat dalam ni. 1 inch of galangal, 1 inci lengkuas, 2 inci halia, 2 inch of ginger, 1 stick of lemongrass, 1 batang serai. Now if you buy coriander, ini adalah daun ketumbar. Look at the stem of the coriander, is different than Chinese parsley and all that, right? So 1 packet I bought. I took a little bit out of it. Saya dah ambil keluar sedikit untuk hiaskan. I already remove a little bit for garnishing later. So the rest you can put inside the blender as well. Okay, masuk dalam blender. Senang je resepi ni, And then water. And then you blend. Kita blend. Sampai halus until it's completely blend, right? So barang-barang is very easy. Lime leaf sedikit, daun limau 50, kaffir leaf, and I have 4 flower crabs. These crabs, please remove all the lungs and everything, the head, all this. Make sure it's clean, and they probably have like a brown color stuff like this. Let me show you. All this brown color stuff, all the shit must get thrown, must get rid of it. Kita kena buang all those, that one is all the tai lah, you know. So kita nak kena buang dia. This is blue color flower crab, which is a male. Ni adalah ketam jantan, dia color biru, blue in color. Okay? The brown one is the female. Usually the female one got more meat lah, but today only have this one. What to do? Then one small box of coconut cream, 1 kotak kecil santan kelapa. Right, it's very easy, very senang. Panaskan minyak dalam periuk, heat some oil inside a pot, and pour in all your blended ingredients. Okay, tuangkan barang-barang yang telah di blend. A bit of salt, sedikit garam, Okay. I will cover this for a bit. Saya akan tutup sebab dia akan percik. It will spill out. So I cover this for a few minutes. Kita tumis sampai dia naik minyak, pecah minyak. We saute until the oil separated, alright? Now can open up because the water already disappear. Air dia dah naik. Because just now when we blend with water, right? Tadi kita blend dengan air kan? So yang buat percik tu air. So the one that make it spill is because of the mixing of the water into the blender. So nice and beautiful. Cantik. Alright, after few minutes, lepas 1 minit kita masukkan ketam we put in the crab. Kita gaul rata, mix all of it. Here you can lower down the heat. Kita kecilkan api sikit. And then kita masukkan 2 cawan air, 2 cups of water. I can put 1 more cup water. Saya taruh air lagi 1 cawan. So total 3 cups of water will be just nice, alright? Masukkan ikan bilis stok ikan bilis, terserah pada anda berapa banyak awak nak letak. Up to you how much you want to put. And then we cover. Kita tutup, kasih dia mendidih, let it boil. Oh, saya lupa, I forgot put in the lime leaf, taruhkan daun limau ni. See the steam is coming up. Awak nampak asap dia naik. So should be boiling right now. Tu kan dia tengah mendidih. Dah masak dah merah. Once boiling, you see, it will dilute ni. Dia akan cair. Sebab apa, ketam ni kan dia mengeluarkan air. Alright. So crab also gives out water. Okay. Okay, now we put in the coconut cream. Masukkan santan kecil 1 kotak. 1 small box. Kecilkan api. Lower down the flame. Okay, for a few minutes. Masakkan lagi beberapa minit. Kita masak santan dia pula. The taste, everything all memang sedap, alright? So, let's do the closing. Campakkan ni, daun ketumbar ni. Put in the coriander leaf. And switch off the stove lah. Matikan Okay, itu dia ketam masak lemak ketumbar. This is crab in coriander curry, okay? Alamak. Itu dia lemak ketam ketumbar. This is a crab in a coriander curry, Alamak, tengok, kasihkan, marvelous. Alamak, kembali kepada sesi chicken punya cake makan eating session time. Alamak, pimple. Kau tengok pimple. There you go. Lemak ketam ketumbar. This is a crab in a coriander curry. Very absolutely marvelous. Memang bau dia meletup sekali. Sedap. Okey, lauk-lauk gini nak kena ada ikan asin, salted fish, sambal belacan. Alamak. Okey, I'm telling you this coriander curry is absolutely amazing, memang sedap, memang fabulous. I pun tak tahu kenapa dia keluar jawat. Sebab apa? tengah musim panas the weather is getting hot and then rain. Alamak, macam-macam ni. Dia punya kepit ni you must use nutcracker ni namanya nutcracker untuk apa ni? Untuk kopek kacang sebenarnya. Actually, but you can buy this at any shop. Awak boleh beli di kedai mana-mana Jangan pakai gigi. Kalau yang mana gigi cantik nanti rosak pula. Berapa murah je this one, very cheap nampak. Screenshot boleh. Kan senang. Tak payah susah-susahkan diri. Yang dah senangkan. Tak payah nak susah-susahkan. Times has changed. Zaman dah berubah. Yang disenangkan kita senangkan. Tak payah kita nak overreaction kata orang tu. Faham tak? Tak payah nak drama. Drama-drama. Jangan nak bikin kau orang rasakan kau kesian pula. Alamak. Kita bismillah dulu. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Gini ya, tarik je. Nampak? Senang. Power. Meletup. The gravy is absolutely amazing. Kuah dia memang meletup. Saya selalu masak ni. Sebenarnya ni lemak kampung kalau nak tahu FYI, this is kampung lemak curry version. Dah lama tak masak ni. I dulu masa masak ni baru belajar tahun 1999. I learned how to cook this in the year 1999. Masa tu saya tinggal rumah 2 tingkat. That time I stay in semi-detached 2 story. Memang power. This video cannot talk. Video ni tak boleh berbual. Busy. Busy bukan ketam. Ada berapa orang yang suka makan ketam Close friend, kawan rapat 3 orang. All the 3 of us like to eat crab. Pada satu hari, one fine day, I cook crab. Saya masak ketam 8 kilo. 8 kilo. Semua habis. Habis Ini dah nak masuk sore throat ni. I think the flu season is coming. Zaman-zaman flu ni akan sampai. Kita patah balik 8 kilo. Kita 2 orang je makan tau. I masak sambal nyonya. I cook nyonya sambal crab. Aku dah lupa dah resepi dia macam mana. I also forgot the recipe. Memang power. Nyonya sambal crab. I cook that one. Oh, memang meletup tu. That one really amazing. Well, one day I show you lah. Masak after Hari Raya first. Lepas Hari Raya. Because the curtain is white. Langsir tu putih. Awak masak sambal, masak apa, langsir jadi kuning. Macam mana suami-suami husband, please cook for your wife this one. Memang meletup. Sekali-sekali masak power. Once in a while you cook this meletup buat dia. Syok. Kuah dia je dah sedap. The gravy already so marvelous. So it's gonna take a while to eat this crab, because I still have all the pinches and everything, alright? I must have the septic there and all this. So I hope to see you again on Masak Apa Masak My Style, #mom. Masak tahu. Okay, bye. Power gila.